Hello, welcome to Peace Love Houseplants. My name is Heather. Today we're going to find out if Anthurium can survive 9 days in the mail. All right, thanks for sticking around. So I ordered these plants 9 days ago. I did pay for 2-day shipping, but due to some kind of sortation error with UPS, they just arrived tonight. So we're gonna open this box and see if they're still alive. All right, so I'll take a deep breath. Here's the invoice. These came from my girl, Plant Addicted Cass. She is on Palm Street and she specializes in Anthurium. I've bought from her before. Now I've had plants that got delayed in the mail for 10 days before and they did survive. They did look a little raggedy, but they did survive. So I'm hoping that these guys will survive as well. But we just don't know. But there are quite a few in here. I kind of went a little nuts and I asked her to stop showing cute Anthurium, but she wouldn't do it. So we're just gonna start. Why don't we start with the biggest one first? So let's move all of these guys. I do see some green and they do feel like cold. I actually didn't buy any insulation because they're supposed to come 2-day and the weather in all of our areas was fine then, and then we had like a huge winter storm. So I don't know. They do like feel cold. Aw. Maybe we're gonna have some luck. Cute. Plants are so resilient. It's amazing. So first one, this is the Snake Oil 2.0 non-variegated times Black Widow times Michelle times Mag Pap. So this appears to be the newest leaf. She does feel a little crispy, but she is putting out a new one. Look at that tiny little leaf. There it is. So far, we have a survivor. The next largest package she does know what she's doing when she's packing. Take off all the fluff. And I mean, they're not perfect. I can see that already. So this guy, this is the PAP times BVAP. It's RL times FS times round times RA. And she does have a little bit of damage here on this leaf. Look at that cool sinus. I really like a long Anthurium. She's got this like pink little sinus right there. Looking cute. I really hope they make it. Let's do this one next. Oh, this one's cute. All right, so this guy right here, this is the Barry Schwartz No ID. When Cass went down to wherever Barry lives, She just went down and picked up some of his no ID Anthurium, and she is letting them go, and we get to watch what grows out. Yeah, Barry Schwartz, cultivar of Anthurium, and very cute, very cute. Next one, I love Anthurium. Can't even imagine how much work it is to pack all these plants. I know that it takes them hours and hours. Oh, she's just a seedling. This is a Tim's Mag times Tim's Black times Pap Ralph Lyman times Self. And it's just a little guy, just a little baby. This will be the first time I've ever grown like from a seedling this size. So wish me luck. These lower leaves are definitely dried out and like kind of mangled, but this newest leaf is looking okay so far. Next one, it's peeking out at me from its package. One of the things that's really fun about Anthurium is how much they change as they grow. So even though I'm sharing the parent photos with you, we really don't know exactly what they're going to look like when they grow up. And that's really fun. Aww. I really love like a dark Anthurium and a round Anthurium. Dark and round, or like long and daggery and dark. And this little Ace of Spades red crystal is going to be unbelievable if it survives. Oh, she's cute. She's super cute. She's also a little mangled. The leaves are a little wonky. I'm not really sure. I hope that they can bounce back. We've got two more. So far, nothing's like completely dead. I'm so unhappy with UPS right now. I didn't buy rehab plants, you know? This one right here has two little seedlings in it. This is the NSC Red Crystal times Silver Blush times Tim's Black times Long Leaf Velvet. And there's two of them. Little guys. Again, seedlings for the first time. Let's put the tag back. And then the last little guy here. One of these is a mystery seedling, and I'll have to look back to see which one. But let's get this last little guy open. Oh, it's cute. This is the Michelle times Zara times Elvis Bessier AFF. Oh, she's cute. She's already really red. All right, well, apparently these Anthurium can survive, not thrive, survive in the mail for 9 days in the middle of winter. So it really shows you how hardy they are. Although we do have some damage, and I am going to reach out to either Palm Street or UPS to see if there's anything that I should do. But I'm grateful that they arrived, not fully dead. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will definitely share the progress of these Anthurium with you. If you like this video, go and give it a little thumbs up, share it with your friends, and then come back next time and let's grow together.